Moved to a murder case involving two teenagers in Knox County, and it included another key hearing today before a juvenile court judge. 10 News senior investigative journalist John North joining us with updates on this. You were in court, John. Let's start first with a 13-year-old victim here and why the court is redacting her name.
John, when we walked into court, the first thing that Judge Tim Irwin wanted to make clear was he was going to ensure that the name of the victim was redacted. And his point was the family is experiencing profound grief right now, and they don't need to be seeing that name on television or in the newspaper. Of course, we had already discussed here at BIR, we were not going to be listing that name. We know it. It will come out at some point when it's appropriate.
Let's move to the 15-year-old suspect accused of stabbing that 13-year-old to death on a public trail in Powell on Monday. What's his fate, John?
So, John, yesterday we asked the magistrate, we wanted to be able to publish the boy's name. We knew it, but we wanted to get these records. I've got the record right now. And he said, let's hold off until today. Judge Irwin came back today for that. Under the law, somebody who's 14 or older and is alleged to have committed an offense this serious, it's public. It's a matter of public exposure. The public can see this, and that's what the judge said. He said, the law is the law, and I can't change it.
Let's talk about what's next in this case. Prosecutors are facing a decision. Keep this in juvenile court or try to push it to adult court. How will they make that decision?
Well, the degree, the severity, as I mentioned, of this case is something that's going to figure heavily into their decision. Absolutely most of the cases that ever come through juvenile court stay in the system because the thinking is we can rehabilitate this child, we can take care of this child without exposing that person to the adult system. Violent crimes like a homicide in this situation are a whole nother matter.
If it moves to adult court, we could see a much more severe sentence. Instead of saying until he's 19 behind bars, it could be 15 to 25 years on the charge he's facing.
That's right. We have a couple young men from Knoxville right now who are serving life sentences for a killing they committed. People will remember when Stanley Freeman Jr. was shot and killed outside Austin East High School.
We will know in days, perhaps, what the fate of that teenage suspect is, and we'll keep you posted. John North, thank you.